Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to Trust Wallet. First, identify whether you use Coinbase Exchange or Coinbase Wallet because the steps differ. Open the app you control, prepare your seed or PIN, and check the token network like Ethereum or BSC. Keep your private keys private and enable biometric unlock if available. Have a small test transfer ready and follow each step slowly to avoid mistakes and token loss. In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Begin by opening Coinbase Wallet or the Coinbase Exchange app and unlocking with your credentials. Navigate to the asset you want to move and choose Send or Connect for Wallet Connect. Copy the receiving address only when sure of the network. Double-check gas fees and leave a small balance to cover costs. Keep your device secure and avoid public Wi-Fi during transactions. In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading or tutorial sessions and fits in most cup holders, which made my workflow nicer. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase to Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet and choose Wallet Connect or Import Wallet depending on your plan. Wallet Connect creates a secure session without exposing keys. Scan the QR code or copy the address, then paste it into Coinbase Send screen and confirm network matches. Send a small test amount first, confirm arrival, and then send the remaining funds once you are confident the connection and addresses are correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.